I have already done the basic drawing. In the beginning, I placed my horizon a little higher, but realizing it was wrong, now I am setting it a little lower. This is the new line of my horizon, painting the earth with a lighter color. Now I am painting the trees at their proper place. You can see the difference between the old trees and the new trees. Now I'm going to remove the old trees with a lighter color. Now I'm going to repaint the sky. For painting a road, mix blue and red, then add some white and black to it and paint the road. You can do the same for the floor in front of the shop by adding some more white. Now repainting the shop, which is actually a mall, with a lighter color or any color which you desire. Now I am painting the green portion between the roads. To paint the plants, mix yellow, burnt umber and a little black with the green color. If you want lighter color of plants, increase yellow and a little white, and if you want darker color, increase burnt umber and sometimes a little black. I have painted the sky a little warmer on the left side by adding a little red and yellow to the color of the sky. Now I am enhancing the trees by mixing yellow and red color with green and burnt umber and putting it onto the trees. The upper side of the trees should be much lighter than the lower side of the trees. For the lower portion of the trees, mix green with burnt umber and mix some black to it if you need it. Don't make the paint to look like green. And also do not use too much black, instead use burnt umber. You can see it's looking too green, which is not right, so add some burnt umber to it. Whenever you put paint on a wet surface, please dry the brush thoroughly. I am making the upper side of the trees even more brighter by adding yellow and red. I am doing the same for the grass beneath the trees. For making tree trunks, mix burnt umber, red and yellow together. These are the brighter sides of the tree trunks facing the sunlight. When painting over a wet surface, do not drag the brush along. Just tap it on the area on the spot you want to paint. This tree is closer to us, so the gap between its leaves should be visible. There are some bushes beneath the trees which are visible in the sunlight. Now paint the trees on the other side of the road darker because they are in the shadow. Here I have made a large piece of ground with grass on it. I am going to paint the brighter side of these trees with the same red and yellow paint. For the shadowy portion of the road, I am mixing blue and red and then a little burnt umber and a little black and even white, making the other side of the road more brighter by adding yellow and white and red to it. Now I am making the foundation for a car. To paint the windows of the shop, first use burnt umber and a little black to it. Then paint it with a lighter color at various places. Now for the car, use black color or grey color to paint inside the mudguards and the wheels. Add white color to the color of the car and put it over various spots on the car to depict the shining effect. Things inside the store, use different colors and put it in the windows bit by bit. Very small amount of each color, either square or triangle or anything else. I use this brush only for making fine lines, so I painted the edges of the windows and the front door with this brush. Making the shadow more dense. I put the same paint beneath the car to show the shadow. Now going to make some more trunks in the trees on the right side. And to the left side also. Now I am going to place electricity poles between the roads, and for that purpose I am using red burnt umber and a little white and yellow, because I am going to make them look like wooden posts. I have used a little black for the darker side of the poles. Now painting the closer pole. First filling it with a darker color, and then I will apply a lighter color of the same tone, a lighter shade of the same tone to its left side facing the sun. At this pole, the proportion of the darker side is greater than that of the lighter side, so I am fixing it. So I am covering the larger area of the pole with the dark color. Now to smooth out the sharp line between the two shades, I am using a tiny brush